Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best LED tailgate light bars available on the market for their true quality. These products are great for enhancing your vehicle's visibility, safety, and style. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Ranked at number 5, we have the Nanpoku Tailgate Light Bar 60-inch triple row. This light bar boasts an impressive triple row design featuring 432 LED chips that deliver up to 300% brighter illumination compared to single or double row alternatives. Its full function capabilities include low red for running, bright red for braking, amber for turn signals, white for reversing, and amber strobe for emergencies. This ensures maximum visibility and improves road safety. The IP67 waterproof rating means it's built to withstand all kinds of weather, making it a reliable option for year-round use. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the 4-pin flat connector and strong adhesive tape. And it's compatible with most trucks, SUVs, trailers, and vans operating on 12-volt systems. While the Nanpoku Tailgate Light Bar delivers impressive brightness and durability, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. First, the light bar can only convey one message at a time. For example, if you're braking while turning, the brake light overrides the turn signal. While this is a minor limitation, some drivers may find it inconvenient. Additionally, certain vehicles may require decoding for the light bar to function properly, which might necessitate a visit to a car repair shop. Overall, this is a solid choice for anyone looking for affordability and functionality in a tailgate light bar. Pros include excellent brightness, easy installation, and robust weather resistance. But the one message limitation and potential need for decoding are notable cons. Coming in at number 4 is the MICTUNING 60-inch LED tailgate light bar. This product features a triple-row LED design with 432 high-quality diodes, producing bright and consistent lighting for enhanced visibility. It offers 5 powerful functions, including red driving and brake lights, white reverse lights, amber turn signals, and a unique amber double flash feature. One standout improvement is its brake light functionality, which avoids constant flashing, enhancing clarity for the drivers behind you. With an IP68 waterproof rating, this light bar is built to handle extreme weather conditions, ensuring durability and performance over its 50,000-hour lifespan. The MICTUNING light bar is easy to install with its plug-and-play design, strong adhesive backing, and included mounting screws for added security. However, it's worth noting that this product requires precise measurements before installation to avoid bending or folding the strip, which can compromise its functionality. Additionally, if you're connecting it to a 7-pin connector via an adapter, you may need a specialized 7-pin to 4-pin trailer harness for proper operation. Ideal for truck owners who want both style and reliable functionality, the MICTUNING light bar shines in terms of brightness and durability, but it may pose minor compatibility challenges. Pros include its versatile lighting functions and rugged build quality, while cons include the need for caution during installation and potential adapter requirements. Number 3, we have the Nilight Truck Tailgate Light Strip 48 inches aluminum frame. This light bar is a powerhouse, featuring a triple-row design packed with 780 high-quality LED chips for intense brightness. With 6 full functions: red running lights, bright red brake lights, white reverse lights, sequential red turn signals, and strobe lighting, it's a versatile addition to any vehicle. The aluminum frame is a unique feature that sets it apart, offering enhanced durability and resistance to harsh weather conditions. With an IP65 waterproof rating and corrosion-resistant epoxy coating, this light bar is built to last over 50,000 hours. Installation is a breeze thanks to the peel-and-stick adhesive and 4-pin flat connector, though additional mounting hardware is included for extra security. However, at 48 inches, this light bar may not fit all tailgates, so measuring your vehicle beforehand is crucial. While its brightness and durability are top-notch, some users may prefer a longer option if their truck bed exceeds the 48-inch length. This is a fantastic choice for drivers who prioritize brightness, build quality, and sleek design. Pros include exceptional brightness, robust aluminum construction, and versatile lighting functions, while cons include limited length and the need for careful measurements. Securing the number 2 spot is the MICTUNING 60 inches triple LED tailgate strip light. This light bar is equipped with 504 high-intensity LEDs in a triple-row setup, delivering bright and reliable performance. It offers 5 essential functions: red running and brake lights, white reverse lights, sequential amber turn signals, and flashing amber for emergencies. The inline fuse adds an extra layer of protection against short circuits, making it a safer option for your vehicle. With its IP67 waterproof rating, the MICTUNING tailgate light bar is designed to withstand rain, snow, and other challenging conditions. Installation is straightforward with its 4-way flat connector wire and adhesive backing, eliminating the need for drilling. The light bar is compatible with most trucks, SUVs, and trailers, but it also includes additional wiring options for specific vehicles, such as Chevy Silverados and GMC Sierras. While the brightness and versatility are great, some users have reported minor compatibility issues that require hard wiring or adapters. Overall, this light bar is an excellent choice for drivers seeking a reliable, bright, and feature-packed option. Pros include its powerful brightness, robust waterproof design, and safety-focused features, while cons include occasional compatibility challenges. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Nilight TR04 truck tailgate bar. This light bar features a triple-row design with 504 ultra-bright LEDs, offering 300% more brightness compared to standard single-row designs. Its 6 full functions include dark red running lights, bright red brake lights, white reverse lights, sequential amber turn signals, and strobe lights, making it one of the most versatile options available. The silicone-sealed construction ensures durability, withstanding harsh weather and boasting a lifespan of over 30,000 hours. The standard 4-pin flat connector provides a hassle-free plug-and-play installation, complemented by adhesive enhancers for a secure fit. With universal compatibility for most vehicles, from Dodge Rams to Toyota Tundras, and a price point of $30.16, this light bar offers incredible value for its features. The Nilight TR04 is a fantastic choice for drivers who want brightness, functionality, and a durable design, all without breaking the bank. While its universal fitment is a highlight, some users may need to verify compatibility with their vehicle's wiring setup. Pros include exceptional brightness, versatile functions, and robust build quality, while cons are minimal, but may include specific wiring adjustments for certain vehicles. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful in choosing the right LED tailgate light bar for your vehicle. If you liked this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and updates. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.